Acid Primer. On all entire of the is Natural Nails. Okay, on all of them. We might need to move it all the way here. Happy New Year's, everyone. And then before that, we are going to go ahead and apply the beige gel, thin coat of the beige gel on all entire nails and cure for 10 seconds, okay? And in the meantime, I did apply the beige gels underneath of the tips already and also cure that for 10 seconds. What the purpose of it? So you don't have to adjust any tips at all. Also, between your nails got protects and prep with the beige gels and the tip got, you know, another layer of the beige gel. So then you basically, when you apply your tip extension glue gel, it will be a sandwich. Just imagine it. This is tip extension glue gel is patty and the base is your 2 slices of cheese. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
I like to link everything to food. Easy. Like sometimes you get appetizers in your entree. All right, so this hand is done with the beige gels already. You can see that it's shiny. And I have the tips that I already sizes and have the beige gel underneath. So we are going to apply this next one, the ring fingers. I'm telling you, just the process of applying it on is so fast. Okay, it's faster than you are. So normally, is it usually your ring fingers and your index is always pretty much close to the same size. Only the middle fingers are a little bit of the bigger side. So I am go ahead and using a tip extension glue gel. It's really thick density, and will hold your nails like a solid, huh? So what we're gonna do, we pick up is like basically a full beads of the tip extension glue gels and apply this right to the wells right there. Ready? The left LED. So we want to have the flashlight ready. Do 45-degree angle. Okay. And then you are going to really gently slide it, give it a good pressure down. Okay. And then hold when you are knows that you are going to stop. Just hold still. Don't move. Have the clients just hold still. Just don't move. Or if they are busy on the phone, on the other hand, make sure their arms is stop for a second. So then you can hold still this shape, so it's prevent from getting like crooked or anything else. Do you feel it's solids? It's okay. Using this one is good. And then the extra one, don't worry, we're gonna clean that up later. And then after we're done with everything, we are going to like a full key of 60 seconds of all the nails. So moving on, you know what? I think I got the number 4. It's okay. You can shape it. How do I get that one in there? Key number 4. And then here's the number 4. 2 of them. There you go. Okay. In the meantime, we are gonna moving on the index nails first. And then again with the procedures is tip extension glue gel. Am I under the camera?
You are. Keep going.
Happy New Year's, everyone. Welcome to Glitz Assistant's last tutorial of 2021. So again, a 45-degree angle. and then going gently down, 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 and here. So if you are doing it for yourself, don't worry. I show you how you can able to do it like me, absolutely do it myself. And I can able to manage it, have a flash kit using a little phone clips and clip your little flashlight that we have it in the kit, in the bundles, a tip extension, glue gel, and glues for you. Great. Moving on the next one. Can I get the tip? The tip out? Here, give me the flashlight.
Okay.
In the meantime, I'm waiting for Mika. Make sure you don't flashlights right on the top of the gel that opens, and here you go. It's number 4 right there. And then go into the next one. Make sure you are going to measure it right straight to the fingers all the way from the top. So then you don't go it like this, so going it crooked, you know. You want to make sure that it goes straight from the knuckle down. And then again, tip extension glue gels. And for a lot of you just tune in, I did apply the beige gels underneath of, like, in the wells of the tips already. So ready with the lamp. Okay, it's 45-degree angle all the way down, really gentle. And hold still. When you're getting your tip extension glue gel is moving to the edges of the tips, you are going to hold still, don't move. Have the clients make sure that she's not going to move or pull her hands away from you. And then you start feeling is like solid. And that's how you can able to let go. But when you place them down, you don't want to move. You don't want to like, oh my God. It just, the bubble automatically is going like floating to the edges of the nails for you. So I'm going ahead and blend this part right there. So we finish just one nail. In the meantime, before I have it full here, I am go ahead and using the no wipe top coat. I am go ahead and apply it in all and tie the hand. I just like that, just a preference, because then I don't want a sticky layer unless you clean it underneath, because I don't want any furs, anything was stuck in there. I want it looks nice and clean. And the thumb and the pinky I applied earlier already. So now we're gonna have the nails, the hands is go under the LED lights, flash, full key for 60 seconds, okay? Hold on, this is just.
Share the camera quick before you care.
Okay.